For weeks, the buzz was everywhere. Everyone was talking about it.
The trip is here. It's the furthest trip to Obudu, so we're finally here, and yeah, I'm looking forward to having a blast and making my trip mates having a blast as well. So yeah.
This isn't just another travel video. This is a living story of strangers becoming something more, of connections formed between unfamiliar faces, of shared songs and unexpected friendships unfolding on the road. Laughter, music, new faces, and a road filled with possibility. This isn't just about where we're going, it's about everything we find along the way. So come along.
The journey was okay, just that we had this stress. We had a very good time. We trapped, sang, we drove and drove and drove, and we're here at the cattle ranch, and we're happy.
24 hours light, to my notice, and the water, there's water heaters, so you can easily use hot water for the water, preferably hot.
Before the journey truly began, we had something special planned. A small welcome for the voices of this trip, the influencers who will help tell the story from their own lens. 3 gifts, 3 smiles, and a quiet moment of gratitude before the road called us forward. And just like that, the adventure began. What comes next wasn't just sightseeing, it was something deeper. Moments that touched everyone, places that quietly stayed with us. You won't see it all at once, but trust us, it's worth the wait. There was a holy mountain, powerful, peaceful, the kind of place that makes you go quiet without even realizing it. Then a waterfall, not just one to look at, but to feel. Cold mist on your skin, laughter echoing through the trees, a reminder that nature always shows off when no one is in a rush. Angel view, high above everything, where the air felt lighter and even the silence had something to say.
Yeah, feel good. It's been an amazing trip. Yo, check out the Obudu Cattle Ranch. Come on, it's going to be an amazing experience. I enjoyed myself, and you're definitely going to enjoy yourself too.
I feel excited. Like, I'm so happy. I'm here.
So I guess you've been enjoying yourself.
Yeah,
Yes.
like they've been taking us to like really nice places, and it's like a breath of fresh air.
And just when we thought we'd seen it all, we found a hidden resort down the valley. A big pool, warm sun, music in the background, and a group of strangers that suddenly didn't feel like strangers anymore.
if I were to tell you the full story, we would spend the whole day here. But we really put in our best to this one. We had just 1 month plan, and at the start of the month, we were not so convinced, because how do you plan such a trip with, in just 1 month? But then we decided that we can actually do anything we put our mind to. We're a very small team, but a very effective and efficient team. And us pulling this off in such short notice is just like a testament of our, let's say, good work now, and our dedication.
Your magic. Let's say your magic.
It's literally bringing dreams to life. Like, I'm so proud of the work we've put in here, and this is like cheers to many more trips, group trips, private, and all of that.